Curious about how your computer stays safe from cyber threats? It's all thanks to firewalls. In this video, we'll explain how firewalls work to protect your network in just 2 minutes. A firewall is like a security guard for your network. It monitors incoming and outgoing traffic and decides whether to allow or block specific data packets based on predetermined security rules. Think of it as a filter that only lets safe data pass through while keeping out the bad stuff. There are 2 main types of firewalls: hardware and software. Hardware firewalls. These are physical devices that sit between your network and the internet. They are great for protecting entire networks. Software firewalls. These are programs installed on individual devices. They protect your device from threats that might slip past a hardware firewall. Firewalls work by using a set of rules to filter traffic. These rules can be based on IP addresses, domain names, protocols, ports, or specific content. For example, you can set a rule to block all traffic from a certain IP address or to allow only secure websites to be accessed. By monitoring and controlling traffic, firewalls help prevent unauthorized access, protect against malware, and keep your data safe. They're an essential part of any security strategy. That's how firewalls keep your network secure. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more quick tech tips. Hit the bell icon to get notified whenever we upload new videos. Stay safe online.